Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pure oxygen gas. Producing pure oxygen is crucial for many applications, from supporting life in hospitals to fueling industrial processes. While oxygen is abundant in our atmosphere, separating it into a pure form requires specific methods. We'll delve into the primary techniques used to achieve high-purity oxygen, ensuring you understand the underlying principles and practical applications. One fundamental method for producing pure oxygen is the electrolysis of water. This process involves passing an electric current through water, which contains a dissolved electrolyte to enhance conductivity. The electricity breaks the water molecules apart, releasing oxygen gas at the positive electrode, known as the anode, and hydrogen gas at the negative electrode, or cathode. It's a clean and effective way to generate oxygen. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And on another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine asking it to play some calming sounds while you're thinking about oxygen production. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Another major industrial method for obtaining pure oxygen is fractional distillation of liquid air. This process begins by cooling atmospheric air to extremely low temperatures, transforming it into a liquid. As the liquid air is gradually warmed, its components, primarily nitrogen and oxygen, boil off at different temperatures. Nitrogen, with a lower boiling point, vaporizes first, leaving behind highly pure liquid oxygen. Pressure swing adsorption, or PSA, is a non-cryogenic method widely used for oxygen generation. This technique employs a special material, often a zeolite molecular sieve, to selectively adsorb nitrogen and other trace gases from compressed air under high pressure. When the pressure is reduced, the adsorbed gases are released, allowing for the collection of a concentrated stream of oxygen gas. It's efficient for on-site production.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.